2, 3, funky.
This is Isaac and Stuff, and today I'm installing a grab bar shelf. First, we're going to decide where it goes, on the wet wall, back wall, or the opposite side wall. For showers, you want to install it higher up, and for tubs, you want to install it lower for easy access during baths. This one is going centered on the back wall. For this, you're going to need an impact driver, 6 self-tappers, a Sharpie, measuring tape, a torpedo, and the grab bar shelf itself. Start by measuring the full length of the wall and dividing by 2 to find your center. After finding your center, you want to mark it with a Sharpie. Now we're going to use the torpedo level to make sure it's not crooked. You want the bubble right in the center of the lines. Once it's level, mark around the outer brackets. Now you should have 3 markings on the wall, the center mark and 2 half circles for the brackets. Up next, we're going to use the 6 self-tappers to secure it to the wall, 3 for each side. Now you want to clean off your Sharpie marks, and we're almost done. Last but not least, you want to secure the beauty rings. And that's how you install a grab bar shelf.